Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel LKT Bro Financial Freedom and welcome to my new series Fire Update. The Tata Group is planning to establish semiconductor manufacturing unit in multiple locations across India, including Assam and Hosur. This is the part of large strategy to boost domestic semiconductor production, reduce India to reliance on imports in this critical technology sector. The move aligns with India's Make in India initiative and the global push to diversify semiconductor supply chain. This facility will focus on producing semiconductor used in electronics and other tech applications, positioning India as a key player in global semiconductor industry. HDFC sold 717 million US dollar in home loan to reduce its credit exposure and manage risk better. This helped the company to free up fund, focus on key business area and maintain financial stability. By selling this loan, HDFC can also improve the quality of its remaining asset, especially in the changing market. UBS has raised Sun Pharma and Cipla as buy and Zydus and Dr. Reddy as sell. They believe Sun Pharma and Cipla are better positioned in the competitive generic drug market. In contrast, Zydus and Dr. Reddy may struggle due to increased competition and price pressure. The generic market is facing challenge including tight regulation and shifting global demand. NSE and BSE has received their transaction fees for cash, equity, future and option and currency derivative. Following SEBI directive, starting from October 1, the cash market fees will be Rs 2.97 per lakh of trade value. For the equity derivative segment, the change have also been adjusted. These change aim to create a uniform fee structure across exchange, impacting the overall trading cost for investing in various market segments. The revision are part of SEBI effort to bring more transparency and consistency to market operation. On September 27, 2024, FIIs bought Rs 630 crores worth of Indian stocks, showing cautious optimistic. DIs were more aggressive with net purchase of 2,405 crores, contributing to market gain. FIIs have been focused on index and stock futures, while DIs are providing consistent support through strong inflow, helping sustain market movement. These investment patterns offer insight into how the market might move, with both local and global investors playing key role in shaping the trends. Swiggy, India's second largest food delivery platform, has filed for an IPO, targeting a valuation near 10 billion US dollar. The company aimed to raise funds to strengthen its market position and expand service. This aim fear competition with Zomato. In the growing food delivery market, Swiggy IPO expected to be significant event in the Indian tech and food industry, attracting strong investor interest. Ola Electric has launched the hyper service to fix after sale issue for its customer. The service aims to provide fast, more efficiency support for vehicle repair and maintenance. Ola is expanding its service network and offering doorstep assistance in make it more convenient for customer. This move comes after feedback on delay in after sale support, with the goal of improving customer satisfied and building trust in their electric vehicle.